Good morning, my little friends. Welcome back to our story time. Today, I would like to take you somewhere. Where can we go? The best place is to go Old MacDonald's farms. Come with me. I will show you so many farm animals today. Are you ready? 1, 2, me and you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Shall I give you a clue? This goes clack, clack, clack. Right, you are absolutely right. It's a chicken. Clack, 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 clack. E-I-E-I-O. With a clack, clack here and a clack, clack there. Here clack, there clack, everywhere clack, clack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... It goes... Whoop, 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 whoop. You are right! It's a doggy! There he is. I call him Spotty. Woof, 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 woof. Woof. E-I-E-I-O. With a woof, woof here and a woof, woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof, woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Oink, 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 oink. What animal is it? Piggy! Absolutely right! There he is. Piggy's coming. Oink, 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 oink. Where is my food? Oh, he's hungry. He's looking for his food. Oh, he found some food. He's going now. So, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink, oink here and a oink, oink there. Here, oink, there, oink, everywhere, oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... It goes moo. What animal is it? Is it a sheep? No. Is it a cat? No. It's a cow. Right. Yes, it's a cow. Moo. Hello, everyone. Oh, this cow looks very hungry. Oh, he's looking for some food. Okay, cow, here you go. You go and eat some food. So, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Fantastic. We have seen lots of farm animals today. But I am going to read another story full of farm animals. Shall we do it? You ready? Let's do it. The story called Say Goodnight to the Sleepy Animals, and is written by Ian Whybrow and Ed Eaves, and is published by Macmillan. The moon is up. The stars shine bright. Off goes Cat to say goodnight. Out in the garden, all alone, who is that gardening a juicy bone? Good night, dog. Woof, woof, woof. Look, by the trees is the clever fox, with his bushy red tail and his neat little socks. Good night, fox. Yip, yip, yip. High in the tree, where they think it's best, who snuggles down in a feathery nest? Good night, birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Brown owl calls as he sails through the sky. Say good night as he flies by. Good night, brown owl. We too-hoo, we too-hoo. Who scurries by with squick, 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 then climbs into bed with his super in his cheek. Good night, Phil Mouse. Squick, squick, squick. Be the little rabbits, it's time to stop. They settle in the straw with a hop, hop, flop. Good night, rabbits. Hop, hop, flop. Home to the kittens softly creep. A drink of milk and they are fast asleep. Good night, kittens. Meow, meow. Say good night then, just once more, but much quieter than before. Good night, birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Good night, dog. Woof, woof, woof. Good night, fox. Yip, yip, yip. Good night, Phil Mouse. Squick, squick, squick. Good night, rabbits. Hop, hop, flop. Good night, burn owl. Wit, two, wit, two. One last lick of hard ginger fir. Good night, pussycat. Purr, purr, purr. Beautiful story. So good night for now. Hopefully we'll see you again next time. Until then, you can go into our website. It's called www.ideastore.co.uk, and you can go to our YouTube channels and you can see loads more children activities in there and story time done by the Idea Store staff. Till then, see you later. Good night. Bye-bye.